friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Look at my hairline. It's giving natural hairline, okay? How to do a natural, realistic Lagos hairline. That hairline widow's peak. I wanted to do a natural version of that, so stick around if you want to see how that's done. And we're gonna learn together. It's a learning experience. A warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Afsister. Afsister has my heart. Their wigs are always beautiful every single time. I know it's going to be high quality. I always know what to expect, and that's what I love. I know the hairline's going to be pre-plucked. I know the Swiss lace is going to be Swiss lacing. I know the silkiness of the hair is going to be silky. It's going to look natural. All of those boxes are checked every time. So what do I have installed today? Well, today what I have installed is a 20-inch 13x6 Skin Melt Knot Free frontal wig. This is also a glueless wig. It has a glueless band at the back. When I say Swiss lace, the lace is invisible. It blends on all skin tones. You don't have to put any lace tint on the lace because it looks natural. As you can see, the lace is giving invisible. We love that. I decided to do the Lagos hairline, but if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm anti like too much baby hair. And I've seen this look before, and the reason why I've never done it was because I thought it looked too fake. I'm going to insert some pics of what I consider a bad version of this hairstyle. That's not me. That looks fake. It doesn't look natural to me. I think it's like looks like a McDonald's golden arch. Today I decided to do a natural version of that, and I think I achieved that.
Show me the car where you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break across real fast like on money. Wanna swim down to the deep end.
Okay, so we're definitely gonna do some tweaking, but I wanted to show what it looks like. Okay, so I'm noticing that there's still like too much hair here. I don't like my hairline to be too sharp. I'm doing it, but I'm doing it my way. And I didn't pluck like here. They always like put less hair right there. For what reason, I don't know, but I feel like they need to stop doing that.
Honestly, can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me.
I feel like that's enough for me.
Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right.
So this is the hairline that we're working with.
Yeah, you take it all night. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
Okay, I'm just waiting for it to get a little tacky. And grab more as needed.
Take it all, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard.
Right, so once we have it installed, you can definitely see where you would want to remove more hairs, and then you just go in and either pluck it or yank them out. Yanking out is much easier. This is such a beautiful wig. Like, I don't want to ruin it, y'all. I'm scared. This is when I'm literally like, am I messing this up? Are you guys getting the Lagos hairline a little bit?
Yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, likes baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patient.
I think this is a good start for like a natural version of this style.
Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
They have some of the best lace and the best like bleaching of the knots. It looks so nice with that Swiss lace, which is real Swiss lace, by the way. If you want invisible lace that's gonna match all skin tones. I just love their straight hair so much. It's so pretty. It looks good, but I just want to put a tiny bit of powder on the part just to like detail it a little. Let me tell you, the knots on this wig is pretty much invisible as well. It goes through a pretty intensive process to get it to look like this, and the total construction time between these wigs compared to a regular standard wig is about 2 to 3 days. So your one wig that you're buying from there is going to take about 2 to 3 days just for the knotting process and the completion of this wig, whereas average they can complete a regular wig within like a couple hours or so. The fact that they take this long to complete it and this is the final product, I'm really happy with. And because the knots are so small, it doesn't actually go through an intense bleaching, the very natural bleaching. So when you part it, it doesn't look over bleached because that's not what they're about. And you get up close to this wig, you can see how natural those knots are because they're not sticking 5-6 hairs in them. Like, those days are gone. We love wigs that have like 1 to 2 strands only, and it looks so realistic. Now, I did cut quite a bit of hair out of the hairline. I think that this version is an in-between. If you want to try it, I hope this video was helpful for you. And let me know your thoughts on this hairline. Is this the hairline that I need to be rocking, or should I just stick to like my normal? Let me know in the comment section below. I think this wig is beautiful. I definitely recommend it just for the silkiness. It is very nice quality, and these are luxury wigs, so they are going to be on the higher price point, but their wigs are definitely worth the price you pay. So with that being said, I'm going to recommend this wig to you guys and recommend trying out this style. If you're not for that crazy version, you can try this version, which is much more natural looking and more for every day. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.